Hello kids, let us learn how to draw and color shapes. But first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's know about the color name. Brown, light green, dark green, yellow, grey, pink, blue, orange, purple, sky blue, red. Let us draw shapes and symbols. This is curved right arrow. Curved right arrow. This is curved right arrow. This arrow is having right direction. So it is curved right arrow. This is a symbol. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides. It is a pentagon. 5 sides. Top rounded corner square. This is top rounded corner square. This is left arrow. Its direction is left. This arrow has direction left. It is a symbol. This is trapezoid. It has 4 sides. This is trapezoid. This is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. It has 4 sides. It is 2D shape. Let us color the shapes and symbols. This is blue color. This is curved right arrow. Curved right arrow. This is a symbol. Curved right arrow. This is a symbol. Pink color. This is pentagon. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides, 5 corners, 5 angles. Penta means 5. Pentagon is a 2D shape. It is a pentagon. This is sky blue. This shape is top rounded corner square. Top rounded corner square. This is a square, but top is curved. This is orange color. This is left arrow. This is a symbol. This is left arrow. This is a symbol. This purple color. This shape is trapezoid. This shape is trapezoid. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. It is a 2D shape. This is a trapezoid. This is red color. And this shape is parallelogram. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. Its opposite sides are parallel. This is a parallelogram. Curved right arrow, pentagon, top rounded corner, square. Left arrow, trapezoid, parallelogram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.